Introduction. There where play with sunshine makes us happy. When it is too hot, we are happier to see the cloud and have rain. The harvest they depend on the type of climate we have during the period. Weather is so important that there are daily forecasts about it on television, radio and newspaper. Let us know about weather and the climate. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define weather and climate and understand the weather report. You might have come across the situation that the sunny morning suddenly changes to a cloudy day and it starts rainy heavily. A heavy rain vanishes within few minutes and gives rise to bright sunshine. This is called change in weather. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind and other factors are called the elements of weather. The weather of the place depends on these factors. Weather is about the various changes that occur in the atmosphere of our earth. The weather is such a complex phenomena that is can vary short period of time. We know what the reason of changing weather is. The causes all the changes in weather, energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, ocean and the atmosphere play important role in the determining the weather at any place. Also, deviation in the earth's orbit, continental drift and greenhouse effect are the additional causes of the changes in weather. Rachel will be looking at the weather report in newspaper. Here is a weather report for you. As per the report, you can see the date and month days are given in the first row of the given table. In the second row, weather of the respective day is shown. In third row, minimum and maximum temperature of the day are shown. These minimum and maximum temperature are occurred by special thermometer called maximum and minimum thermometer. In the fourth row of the table, you can see the humidity. Humidity can be measured by hydrometer in some weather report. Row for rainfall also given. Rainfall is measured by instrument called rain gauge. Let us know how climate is different from the weather. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. If the temperature of the place is high, most of the time it is said to be hot climate. If it have heavy rainfall in addition to high temperature, then we said the climate of that place is hot and wet. For according climate condition, the mean temperature of the given month for a particular place is found in two steps. First, average of the temperature recorded during the month is calculated. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place in terms of temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place.